Meaning of hairdryer.
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 Hairdryer. A hairdryer is an electrical appliance used to dry and style hair after a shower or bath. It is typically handheld, with a nozzle that directs hot air onto the hair to speed up the drying process. The device can also be used to shape hair by creating volume or smoothing out curls. Hairdryers come in various sizes and styles, with some featuring multiple heat settings or attachments such as diffusers and concentrators. They are a common tool found in households, salons, and other beauty-related establishments.